Hi friends, good day. How are you all doing today? Today I'm actually here to be talking to you guys about a little supplement called Mitolyn. Mitolyn has been helping people to finally stop being obese and finally start losing weight in a natural and healthy way. This sounds really magical, and I can tell you that Mitolyn is something that delivers exactly what it promises. So today I'm here to give you basically like all the details about Mitolyn, because I know there's so many people who are crazy, trying to use Mitolyn, but they're scared about it and they don't know much about it. So I'm here to clear up the air and give you all the details about this fantastic dietary supplement that has been helping so many people worldwide to finally achieve weight loss. And if you stay right there, you're actually going to discover right now where to get Mitolyn from, because this is a supplement that is only sold on their official webpage. And if you check out below this video, there's a link. That's their official webpage, okay? It's a click away. You're going to be taken directly there as soon as you click on that link. And there, I know you can always get fantastic prices. You can get to check out more about Mitolyn. You check out what other people are saying about it, all that jazz, okay? Now, you have to know what goes into creating Mitolyn. Mitolyn is this formula that is fantastic because it holds 6 ingredients that are fruity, that are like, nutrients, minerals. So, okay, we're talking about maki berry, amla, chisandra, astaxanthin, rhodiola rosea, and theobroma cacao. All of these ingredients help you to increase your mitochondria function. And you're probably right now scratching your head thinking, what the heck is my mitochondria function, right? It's actually simple, guys. Your mitochondria function is this tiny enzyme in your cells that is responsible for deciding, like, okay, now I'm going to melt down stored fats and I'm going to boost you with energy. So if your levels of your mitochondria are actually really, really low, it's not doing anything. Like, it's helping your bodies to just store fats and you have absolutely no energy and you always feel tired, So the interesting thing about Mitolyn is that it boosts your mitochondria. It does this with only natural ingredients. There is no side effects to it. And these ingredients, they go way beyond helping you to lose weight. I mean, it helps you fix up your vision. It helps you curb up your appetite. It helps you take care of your gut. It's good for your heart. It's good for your cholesterol levels. So there's this whole, ocean of benefits that Mitolyn brings towards your overall health. And all it takes is for you to use 1 capsule a day, and that's it. I mean, this tiny capsule has the power to change your lives around. You go from being totally overweight and not happy to a person who is filled with self-esteem, with confidence, and who looks gorgeous and is really, really healthy. So think about that, okay? The treatment is short. You can use it for 3 months or 6 months. And throughout your treatment, in case you don't like Mitolyn, there's a 90-day money-back guarantee waiting for you right here in the official webpage. So do yourselves a favor, okay? Pop over to this link to learn more. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Have a fantastic day, and I'll see you lovely people next time. Bye.